All right, hi. We're working question 14 from practice exam 4. And before we go into this, this last semester's exam has some stuff that I didn't really teach you all to do. Doing adjusting entries and closing the accounts. So I just changed this one a little bit. I said we got the 90-day note, and then 90 days later it gets paid off. So that's the kind of thing you'll have to do. Just calculating interest and knowing how to post the cash. All right, so we received from Best Books a $10,000 note, right? So they're getting a note receivable that pays off their account. So we need to take care of getting rid of the account receivable and putting on a note receivable, $10,000. All right, so that's on July 1. All right, so we're increasing the asset note receivable, and we're decreasing account receivable Best Books. Right, and 10,000. All right, there we go. Then the only thing you need to be able to do is, well, when they pay it off, what do we do? Well, what we do is we post the cash, we post the receivable, and we post the interest revenue. All right, so to do that, first of all, we need to kind of do a little calculation of the interest revenue, right? So remember, principal times the rate times the time. And in this case, that would be 10,000 times 0.07, which is how I write 7%, times 90 divided by 360. Remember that we have to, because this is an annual rate, we have to turn 90 days into what part of a year? So that's a quarter of a year. So 10,000 times 0.07 times 0.25, which is what that ends up being, is equal to 175. All right, so that's our interest. All right, so that's revenue. That's separate from paying off the receivable. So on 10/1, 90 days later, they got cash in the amount of 10,175. Right, and that cash went to the note receivable, right, 10,000 of it, and then to the interest revenue, right, 175. And our debits equal our credits, and you did that problem. Okay, good luck.